Sabi mo nga, no, you were looking at spinning it to a more positive note, no? But a lot of employers also say na nahalata talaga nila itong henerasyon ng mga Gen Z. Sabi nila parang hindi sila mapakali, no? Very restless. Tapos yung they stay at the job mga maximum of 2-3 years, no? Tapos naghahanap ulit sila ng ano yun? Ano yung yearning doon? Tayo, patagalan, loyalty service ang habol natin. 15-20 years. Hanggang pinapatalsik, hanggang naging lolo-lola ka na. Di ba? Nandun ka pa rin sa isang kumpanya mo. Pero sila, is that a good thing? When you're restless, now they really want work-life balance. I know a lot of them prefers to still work from home. No? That's a condition na hindi sila papasok, or kung papasok man sila once or twice a week lang sa opisina. Kasi gusto nila work-life balance, mga ganon. Yung mga ganon na demands, is it also kumbaga justified? Is it reasonable? When does it become unreasonable? Or di ba, yung kanilang kunyari boss mo baby boomer, tapos mga empleyado mo karamihan mga Gen Z. So ano yung compromise? Paano kayo magkakaintindihan kung ibang inyong mga perspekto pagdating po sa trabaho?
Yes. Let's see. First of all, I think yung mabilisang pag-alis sa trabaho, like 2 or 3 years, I think that's also because things in society have become more disposable, even jobs. Okay? So, it's like tissue and even dating apps. If you don't like the person, you swipe left, you swipe right. And it's the same thing with jobs now. Okay? Now, there's this idea na baby boomers are upgrading the corporate system.
Okay.
Okay. But we could also look at it from the other side. No, corporations are actually perhaps desperate. That's why they have to upgrade themselves to keep up with the generations.
Okay.
Okay. Otherwise, they lose their workforce.
Yeah.
So just because dahil lang sa pag-uugali ng mga Gen Z, corporations have to step up. Kung ano yung gusto ng Gen Z, like yung mental health, yung flexibility, okay,
correct.
Yung authentic servant leader, di ba? Na nagki-care, and fair compensation.
So ngayon ang yung mga boss na ang mag-a-adjust. Ako, sana talaga pinanganak ako nung panahon nila ngayon. Kayo mag-adjust sa akin.
Yes.
Okay. So,
Yes. Pero apat, I want to remind you, that yung pagiging selective ng Gen Z, this is a privilege of those na mas may kaya. Kasi kung mahirap na tao, they can be stuck for years in corporate cultures that are unfair. Yeah. So, kawawa naman sila. Buti na lang, HR, people are talagang upgrading the business system.